Hello my friends, Ellen here. Welcome to my Southern Kitchen. Today, I'm going to share with all of you the simple and easy Southern baked beans recipe that will be perfect for Memorial Day and for your upcoming summer barbecues. Over here, I have a 9 by 13 inch baking dish that I grease with cooking spray. And we're going to add in 2 16-ounce cans of pork and beans along with the sauce. Pour everything into the pan. A third of a cup of molasses. A third of a cup of packed light brown sugar, and 1 small onion that I grated and I drained the liquid. 3 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. 4 tablespoons of ketchup. And 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Gonna give it a nice little bite. Gonna give this a quick stir until it's well incorporated. Alrighty, and last but not least, gonna add one of my favorites in the world, some bacon. Oh yes. Gonna add in about 3 to 4 strips of bacon that I cut them into little medium-sized strips. Can't have baked beans without bacon, if I do say so myself. Now we're ready to put this in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 325-degree oven, and we're going to let it bake for 45 minutes until it's bubbly. Alright my friends, there you have it. Southern baked beans. Doesn't that look delicious? And it smells phenomenal up in this kitchen. And look at all that bacon. Sure to make your mouth water. And once you taste these beans, these will be the talk of the town at your next barbecue. This will be your go-to recipe. I want to thank all y'all for watching, and I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and happy Memorial Day.